Good morning, students. Learning the game. This title, you're familiar with it. Already you know very well. It is a biography of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. See, the book in text, 14 questions. See, so there are 14 book in text short answers are there. So in this class, we are going to revise it one by one. I'll read the question and I say the answer. First question, who were Sachin's favorite players? You know very well who are they. Who? One is Sunil Gavaskar, another one is West Indian legend Viv Richard. So these two players are Ramesh Tendulkar. That means Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar's favorite players. Who are they? Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian player Viv Richard. Question, what was special about Shadashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? That is, the answer is because there are many schools in Mumbai, but this school is very special. Why? The coach Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach there. That is why it is very special. Okay. Third question, what was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? So, the turning of their life, the opportunity to join Achrekar sir's camp, where Shadashram Vidya Mandir, right? So, he joined in that school. Both and also Achrekar sir is also accepted and gave permission to join his camp both the morning and evening session at Shivaji Park. Transformed is the life of Sachin. Next, fourth question. What sort of conversation did Ajit and Sachin? Ajit is a brother of Sachin, right? So, what sort of conversation did Ajit and Sachin have while traveling? Simply, once the cricket session is over, he took him to the house, right? So, while traveling in the bus, Ajit would talk to Sachin about the new answers of batting a lot. What kind of new technique he used. So, this is they were discussing. So, fifth, what routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? This is really a very important one because Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes and routine was washed to them as soon as he would return from the morning session. While he had his lunch, and then the clothes would dry out. In the period in the duration of having lunch, the cloth has to dry out in the sun, and he would wear them again in the afternoon session. This was the routine. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that he could use the same set of clothes in the morning also. So it's a very it shows the poverty, it shows the hard work on that moment. Next, sixth one. What did Achrekar inform Ajit? Who is Ajit? Brother of Sachin. So, he informed Achrekar sir, the coach informed Ajit that Sachin really had the potential to be a good cricketer if he practiced all year round. See, already there is answers in the textbook. I'll show you around. Next, seventh question. What was the suggestion given by Achrekar sir to father? Sachin father. Whose father? Sachin father. Not only he informed Sachin about his brother Ajit, but also his father. Achrekar sir suggested that Sachin should change school if he wanted to pursue cricket seriously, since a new English school in Bandra where Sachin was studying. So he just wanted to, he Shadashram Vidya Mandir, he only came to join his cricket, but he was studying in new English school. So after suggesting Achrekar sir to his father, he changed the school. Then, eighth one. What acted as a safety valve? So, at Shadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, right? All his excess energy were getting channeled into cricket. All as far as he can, how could he can, he just gave to the students, which acted as a kind of safety wall for Sachin. Then, ninth question. What did Sachin do during the 30 minutes break? These questions you've already faced in the previous exam, right? So, during the 30 minutes break, Sachin would often have the vada pav, the famous popular Mumbai street food, actually the fast food, with the money that Achrekar sir would give him. 10th question. What is the intense 15 minutes? This is really an important question. That 15 minutes. See, As a students, we never estimate, we never measure the time for such a for the value time. But here the intent, there is a 15 minutes he only got per day. What it could be, what he do that day between the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sachin would have 5 more set of that is a net session. Towards the last 15 minutes, Achrekar sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump, and if Sachin managed to avoid getting out, the coin was his. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to him, with some 60 to 70 boys fielding, right? It means that he had to hit every ball along the ground. So to survive and win the 1 rupee coin, just to win the 1 rupee coin, if he hit the all ball, then the coin is yours. This period was the 15 minutes. How he took the boy very seriously, right? He is a great coach, as he said. Next, 11th question. What did Sachin's father do just to make Sachin happy? So, Sachin's father here, festival days, occasional, any special occasion, Sachin father took him to home. Sachin father came and took Sachin to the home, and Sachin would always ask his father to treat him the special fruit cocktail at a juice center near club. See, in Tamil Nadu we say fruit mixture, right? That is what they say, a special fruit cocktail. Though it was a little unreasonable, his father would give him what he wanted just to see him happy. And the 12th question. What did embarrass Sachin in the bus? Here, sometimes Sachin had to travel home from Shivaji Park by bus. In the crowded bus, it was, we don't want to say how the Mumbai is. In the crowded bus, it was a challenge to stand with his kit bag. Kit bag means he used to have all his kit about his cricket, ball, bat, everything. The conductor was often rude and would inevitably complain that Sachin was taking a place of 2 passengers and even asked him to buy ticket of 2. So, as he never had extra money, it embarrassed him at that moment, at that time. His dirty clothes added to the same. The 13th questions. What made Sachin forget to go to the nets? Occasionally, in very rarely, while playing with his friends at home, Sachin would conveniently forget to go to the nets amidst of all fun. So this is all in childhood happens. Sometimes we usually selective amnesia like that. We used to forgot a particular moment, so that he used to forgot to go to the net. Next, then, what did Achrekar advise Sachin here? Achrekar advised Sachin not to waste his time playing insane games with the kids. He would say that cricket was waiting for him and the nets, and that he should practice hard to see what the magic can transpire. So it is the finest advice ever that Achrekar sir gave to Sachin. Why should he's playing with games in the street? Otherwise, he there is a coach, he can get the training from him. So this is what, if somebody wants to aspire their ambition, their they want to reach their destination, they have to take it in a serious. So that here we nowadays we are calling Sachin Tendulkar. He is a legend. How he started his life, how he planned his life, his path, how he how he cultivated his path to go to his destination in every minute of his life. So that learning the game here. So in this class, in this video, I revised that book in text question. Next, there are book back questions also there. Book in text 14 questions are there, and book back 10 short answers are there. So once again, watch the video again and again, and another, the 10 questions, you take that, you read by yourself and write a small test in a rough note. Book back 10 short answers, write a small test and post the answer, or bring the answer when you come for the school the next day. Thank you, ma.